Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comment. So it's a sunny day in Chicago. Might have a little bit of rain over the weekend, but the 2-week forecast looks warmer and drier for much of the Midwest. We had a pretty good rally in the markets yesterday. Beans finally poked its nose over $11. Corn saw some buying and wheat saw some short covering. Two factors that came in. I think there was initially talk that higher South American corn and soybean premiums makes U.S. competitive both in soybean and corn exports, and that brought in a little bit of buying. A lot of that higher prices in South America is due to farmers slowing their selling down and causing those prices to move higher. Number two, the 1 noon U.S. long-range weather map, which a lot of people really don't look at, but some people did yesterday, went drier for the last week of June, and so that brought in a little bit of buying too. Overnight, beans are up 7 cents, corn unchanged, wheat unchanged. Still looking at some talk that here in the United States, the bean basis, both for the crusher and the exporter, is improving. Hearing that China might be looking to buy U.S. August soybeans, and that we might double the amount of soybean exports out of August that we did a year ago, and that's offering some support to the marketplace. The corn market, I think a little bit of talk about some export demand, but we did see open interest yesterday in corn go up 23,000 contracts, so that suggests we might be getting some new buying. As we get closer to first notice day, it's interesting that not a lot of liquidation out of yesterday, the July beans or July meal. July oil lost 6,000 contracts. Actually, the funds bought July corn yesterday rather than liquidating, and we were 4,000 contracts less in the July wheat. So technically speaking, we had a bullish outside day yesterday in the beans. If we close above the 10, 11, 15 area, it could suggest that we're going to move higher. In the corn, we've had the highest close yesterday since October 9th of 2015. 401 is now support. As long as we hold that support, the next objective on the charts is 421. And the wheat, we need to push over the 484 area on the July to bring in new either short covering or spec buying. And as you get closer to harvest, that might be harder to do. Export sales delayed until tomorrow due to Monday's holiday. So you've got some interesting chart formations, you've got some uncertain weather, and you've got the funds right now long beans, meal, oil, a little bit of corn, and short almost a record amount of wheat going into the 2016 weather market. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.